What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Aleia and this is As Always Aleia, and today we're discussing the POW collection from The Main Choice. So, as most of you already know, The Main Choice released a new collection. This is called the POW Collection. So, what I purchased was the mask. I also have the conditioner. I did purchase the leave-in, and I also purchased the gel, which is like the main event. We all love a good gel. So, I will be discussing all of these products today. We're just going to get started with what I first used in the shower, besides the shampoo, because I didn't purchase it. But after the shampoo, I did go in with the mask. So this is the first product that we'll talk about. So the mask for The Main Choice, here it is right here. Guys, how cute is this? So this is the POW mask. It's the Products Obsessively Working collection. I am so excited to use this because it does say it's for all hair types. POW in your face finish. Oh my god, silky sealed cuticles and extra shiny. I like that. That's really cute. So the packaging looks great, but what The Main Choice is known for is their smells. And might I say, I just want to eat it. Like that's how good it smells. And you can see after one use, I did not use a lot. It was so manageable to use. This is how it comes out. Like, it's not very thick, but it's also not on the thin side either. It's a great consistency. It just smells like I want to eat it. It smells like the purple Starburst or something. Like, she is always spot on when it comes to her smells. And this smells amazing. OMG. She done a damn thing, girl. Go ahead, Courtney. So that's the mask right here. So the next thing that I went in after the mask was the conditioner. So I washed my hair, then I put the mask in, I washed the mask out, and then I put the conditioner in. Here's the conditioner. It is just beyond so freaking cute. This is like girl power right here. I love the packaging, I love the smell, I love the colors. Like, all of her collections, just, they're so different and they stand out, but they still collectively fit in under one brand, which is amazing. Her marketing is impeccable. It smells so good, guys. I wish, like, I cannot wait till they start inventing cameras where you can just smell things through them, because that's when technology will really take off. Alright, so after I put the conditioner in, I did rinse it out, and I also, while the water was going through my hair, I detangled, and that's how it works easiest and best for me. So I dunk my head under water and then go ahead and comb it out in the shower. If I don't do it like that, it'll take forever to detangle. I will lose a lot of hair if I don't use water excessively. So after I rinsed out the conditioner, I did go in with the leave-in, another staple in a naturals collection. Look at the leave-in, guys. It is so cute. You do have to definitely read the top when you're using it, because you don't want to use like the conditioner when you're trying to use the leave-in conditioner, even though they should be interchangeable. I don't know if I showed you this, but this is how it comes out. It's not thin, it's not thick, but I am loving it. And it smells, bro, like, she needs to start creating edible edible products, because they smell so good. I just want to eat it. My hand smells amazing. So yeah, that's the leave-in. All of her products are so awesome, so pretty. But now for the main event. So we did the leave-in conditioner, and the mask, which I should have bought the shampoo and not the conditioner, but whatever. So now here is the main event, and it is the gel. The first thing I'm realizing, do you guys see those sparkles? Do you see the sparkles? I'm nervous. I don't like putting sparkles in my hair. Sparkles can go like either way, you know? But here is the entire label. It is beyond cute. Like, how freaking adorable is that, guys? So let's just go ahead and get started. I am going to be doing a wash and go today. I haven't even opened this gel, so I'll be opening it on camera with you guys. Ooh. I like the smells of the conditioners better. This has an interesting smell. It doesn't smell like the conditioner. Ooh, look how pretty. So this doesn't have like a strong smell like the conditioners, but it still has like a thick, gooey consistency. I am so excited to use this, guys. And since I didn't get a cream or anything, I'll just be going in with the gel to see how it works. Let's see how much definition we can get with this gel. So I'm going to go ahead and just take my hair down and we'll get started. So here's my hair right out of the shower. This is what we're working with, guys. My hair is definitely growing. I think its Main Choice is helping me so much. I love their products. I am going to go ahead and part on this side. I usually part on this side. I don't really use a comb when I part. You can see that the product's still in there. I do have the leave-in in my hair, that's all. Alright guys, I had to scoot on up and get close and personal because you know I like to be all up in your business. I do have some water in this bottle. I'm going to go ahead and just spray my hair because it did get a little bit of moisture has left my hair since I took it off the towel. And when you're doing a wash and go, you want a lot of moisture. So we are going to do this together right now. Just going to go ahead and take some gel. It is so shiny. Do you guys see the sparkles in there? Alright, so that's how much I'm going to use. I'm just going to go ahead and put it on my fingers. The only thing that's in my hair is the leave-in right now. So far, it just smells good. Let's see. It's definitely giving me some definition. I like that. Alright, here's the next one. So I'll most likely be parting this back section right here into fours. I thought I was going to need my Felicia Leatherwood brush, but I don't. Wow. So I am just going to apply a little bit of water to the section. Just a little bit. Keep it nice and moisturized. And we're going to take some goo. That's how much I start off with, and then I just keep applying until I feel as though it's moisturized where I need it to be. Ooh, look at that. Wow. That is super pretty. Gonna go in with a little bit more. The product feels heavy. Like when you apply it, it feels like you know how sometimes you may need to go in with a stronger gel, like a Got To Be or an Extreme Wet Line or something like that. Like you don't need two gels with this at all. Like I'm shocked. I am seeing a little bit of fuzziness, but that's just my hair. But like I am shooketh. Me likey. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and keep going. Alright, y'all, so I am finally done. That was so much fun putting this in and watching my hair pretty much transform. Like, this really is the POW collection. So far, I'm loving it. It's moisturized, it looks shiny, and I am going to sit under a hooded dryer until this is about dry. Probably 30 minutes, and then I'll go in with my handheld dryer and just get wherever the hooded blow dryer could not. Oh, guys, and just real quick, I did go ahead and put these flat twists in my head right here and right here. I do have 3 of them, just because those are the sections where my hair just does not twist at all. It wants to do its own thing, which is fine. We just gonna twist it up and make it work, but the rest of my hair is ready to go, so I am gonna go ahead and dry it, and I will be back in a second, or 20. Let me just scoot on up so I can show you guys. I don't know if it's coming off in the camera how it is coming off in person, but do you guys see the glitter in my hair? Can you see the glitter? I didn't take my flat twist out because they're not dry yet, but the rest of my hair is about 95% dry, so I definitely want to come back on here and show you guys pretty much my final results. I like them. It's beautiful. It smells great. I think it's gonna last. It's gonna hold. But if you do not like glitter, I would not recommend you use this. Let me see if I can get it. That's glitter, guys. Like, that is... That's real glitter, and it's all in my hair right now. So you probably think I'm going to some type of concert or something. No, I am stuck in the house just like the rest of you guys. I absolutely hands down, round of applause, high five to Courtney for creating this product. Guys, I really enjoyed this product. I love this product. There's not one bad thing I can say. Besides, if you don't like glitter, don't buy it, because there will be glitter in your hair after you use it. But it feels like it's holding up nicely. I sat under the hooded dryer for probably about 20-25 minutes, and then I did go in with my handheld dryer and just shocked it where I needed to make sure it was dry. My flat twists again aren't dry. I'll take them out another day. But these are the final results. Comment below if you guys like my hair. Comment below if you guys are going to try this product or recently purchased the product and you're waiting for it. That's why you probably clicked on this review. I hope that I gave you all the information that I needed. My favorite in this whole line probably is the deep conditioning mask. Oh, just because it smells so good. It smells like you want to eat it. I would really buy this if it was edible just to eat it. Like, it smells like purple candy. Okay, let me stop. But guys, that is it. These are the final looks and the final results. I'm so happy you tuned in. My name is Aleia, and this is As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.